In this video, I'll show you how to turn on each time where to save when downloading a file on Google Chrome. So each time when you download something and you want to see a prompt of where to save that file, then let me show you how you can turn that feature on. So here I've got my Google Chrome browser opened up. I'm going to go ahead and click on the three dots at the top right. Scroll down until you see settings. Now on the left hand side, you want to find downloads. Click on it. And now on this page, you want to find the settings. Ask where to save each time before downloading. So as you can see, it's currently grayed out, so it's not enabled. So you want to go ahead and toggle the switch to the right hand side. And now, anytime you download something, it'll basically ask you where you want to save the file. So there you go. That is how to turn on Ask each time where to save when downloading file on Google Chrome browser. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching, and